Hello class 11 students, Aggarwal students. Welcome once again to Math is Possible. I'm going to continue your chapter for circles. So you can see on the board everything is given over here. I have already copied the formulas. Okay. So in the previous video I have made this and this formula for you. And this is the exercise I'm going to start. And the exercise is actually 12.1. Okay, not 2.1. It's 12.1 for me. I don't know what number it's for you. Whatever number it is for you, you will do that. Find the equation of a circle is the heading for question number 1. And there are many parts in this question. So I'm not wasting much time. And starting with part 1, it says center is the origin, means 0, 0. And the radius is given as 5 units. 5 UTS. You can write. So let's start. Central formula. Center is given, radius is given. Central formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. That's the center, h and k. So they are both zeros. So put 0, square it, put 0, square it, put 5 unit and square it. So what's the equation of the circle? X square plus y square is equal to 25. That's the equation of the circle. Let's check the answer. I marked the page already. X square plus y square is equal to 25. Correct answer. Let's move on to part 2. We'll not be doing all the parts from question number 1 because they will not come for your exam. Okay. We'll be doing the important questions. But there are many parts in question number 1. Okay, we'll try and split it up. Let's go on to question number 3. Part 3. Part 2 I left it. I'll give it to you. You'll be able to do. Center is given as minus 3, 2. And radius is given as 4. Center and radius is given. Again, you have to find the equation of the circle. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here h is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to 2. Every time I will not write that. You have to understand x plus 3 whole square. See, y plus, there was a minus here. See, if you are still confused, you can do this. Minus 3. Okay. Then what? Y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 square. So this now becomes x plus 3. Then you will have one more line to do. Okay, you could have already split that up. 16. X square plus 6x plus 9. But you are expected to do the shorter way because you are in class 11. Plus 4 minus 16 equal to 0. So next, x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y. Write these terms because nothing is common in them. Finished? Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is plus 13 minus 16 is equal to 0. Add 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to use calculator. You are allowed. Okay. Now subtract. 16 minus 13 is 3. 13, 14, 15, 16. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. That's the equation of the circle. Let me confirm that answer for you. Okay. Part 3. Correct answer. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's go on to part 5. Part 2 I am giving it to you. You can try at home. Part 2 is this. Center is given as 0, 2. Okay, and radius is given as 2. Make sure you expand the y minus 2 part. Okay, those of you who will do will understand. So that's your question number 2, rubbing it off. Copy it, try at home if you want to. If you don't want to try, then no problem. Let's go on to the next one, that is part 5. Part 4 is also, okay, let's do part 4. It's got a root over in the radius. That's why I want to do this. But all of you all can do. Center is 1, 1. radius is root 2. Again, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, not putting the formula, is equal to root 2 whole square, right? So this is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 2. The root over and the square got cancelled out. So that's x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Cancel. See, got cancelled out. So we are left with x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y is equal to 0. Let's go and see the answer. 12 part 1, question number part 4. Correct answer. Okay. Let's go on to part 5. I am giving it to you to do at home. Part 5. Try. Okay, very simple question. Center is 1 by 4, comma, no, not 1 by 4, 1 by 2, comma, 1 by 4. This is the center and the radius is equal to 1 by 12. Please do, please try if you can. If you don't want to try, no problem. Okay, let's go on to the next question. That is part 6 of this. Part 6, last part for question number 1. Part 6. Part 6 says center is minus a comma minus b. Okay, minus a comma minus b, and the radius is equal to root over a square minus b square. Okay, that's the question. Start. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay, so this is h whole square, sorry, x plus a whole square, y plus b, y plus b whole square is equal to root over of a square minus b square to the power 2. Okay, so that's x square plus 2ax plus a square, 2 into a into b. Okay, 2 into a into b, whether you write ax or xa, it's the same thing. Y square plus 2by plus b square. Okay, then this side it will be just a square minus b square. Okay, then this is x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus a square plus b square minus a square plus b square is equal to 0. That was minus, no? Yes, it was minus. So this and this is gone. So x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square is equal to 0. Check. B square plus b square to b square is equal to 0. Let's check the answer. X square y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square is equal to 0. Correct answer. Okay. Let's go on to the next question. That will be question number 2 part 1. 2 has part 1 and 2 only. Okay. So question number 1 is over already. So let's go on to question number 2 part 1. Okay. Just want to see if you students can see properly. Look, if you can see, yes, you guys can see properly. It's fine. Let's go on to question number 2 part 1. Question number 2 part 1. Question number 2 part 1 says, write the equation of the circle whose center is the origin and which passes through the point 3 comma minus 4. So there is a circle. Look, if you draw this, it says find the equation of this circle. Find the equation eqn of the circle whose center C is in the origin 0 comma 0. Okay, this is the origin, say. Okay, this is the origin. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Sorry, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, this is y, this is x, and the center is the origin. Understand? Center is the origin. Now it says that this circle passes through a point. Okay, let's say this is the point, and the point is given as 3 comma minus 4. It's given as 3 comma minus 4. Let's say here somewhere 3 comma minus 4, somewhere around here. Okay, wherever, somewhere around here or something like that. Okay, so this is the point, say 3 comma minus 4. Okay, so anyway you can put the point. Okay, you don't have to draw this graph also, you can just understand this. Now if you see from the center till here is the radius, right? CP is the radius. CP is the radius. CP is the radius. Now what to do? How to find the radius? Simple distance formula. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Those of you who have studied straight line, you know what to do. So distance and section formula, I'm sorry. So CP, put a mod sign, it will become modulus means root over of x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus 3 whole square plus 0 plus 4 whole square. So that is root over of 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that is 5 unit is the CP, that's the radius. So I got my radius. You have your center. Now you can find the equation of the line. It's very simple. So what is the equation of the line? X comma h minus plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Center 0, so this will be x square, this will be y square, this is 5, and this is going to be then 25. That's the equation of the circle. Let's check the answer. 2 part 1 x square plus y square is equal to 25. Correct answer. Next, question number 2 part 2. Now question number 2 part 2 says determine the equation of the circle whose center is 8 comma minus 6 and which passes through the point 5 comma minus 2. Now it is the same, you see, it's the same type of question where you have to find the radius. Now some of you still might be confused, so I'm going to do question number 2 part 2 also for you students. So look very carefully. Suppose now we will not draw no coordinate system, you will not have to draw any coordinate system. You just draw the circle. The circle is given and its center is given as 8 comma 6. There is a center here, center, that is 8 comma minus 6, I'm sorry, 8 comma minus 6, and passes through the point 5 comma minus 2. So this passes through the point, say A, that is 5 comma minus 2. So make this x1, make this y1, then this is x2, this is y2. So what is CA? So what is the radius CA, which is r, which is equal to root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is x2 minus x1 means 8 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means minus 6 plus 2 whole square. So that is going to give you root over of 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 square is 9. Okay, plus over here minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 is 16, that's again 5. Okay, that's the radius. Now you can find the equation of the circle. How? By using the center and the radius. Center is given to you. So equation of the circle, x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to 25. Now when you expand, it will be x square minus 16x plus 64 plus y square plus 6 2s are 12y plus 36 minus 25 is equal to 0. Now when you do your solution, what it's going to be? 64 plus 36, 64 and 36, 6 plus 4, 10, 6, 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 100 minus 25, 100 minus 25 is 75, so cut this out, make it into 9, 7, so we are left with x square plus y square minus 16x plus 12y, no changes in these things, that's 100 minus 25 is plus 75 is equal to 0. So let me just check this answer quickly for you. Question number 2 part 2 is x square plus y square minus 16x plus 12y plus 75 is equal to 0. Question number 3 part 1 says find the equation of the circle of radius 6 units and whose center lies. Okay, I have to write this question. That's because you will not understand when I am going to say, okay, because the talk will not make you understand. You will have to see also. Okay, so let's do question number 3 part 1 and let's restrict it today till only this question. Let's see if I have time. I will definitely go and do the next one also. So it says find the equation of the circle of radius 6 units. Okay, so it says find equation of a circle. Okay, circle, circle. Find the equation of a circle with radius is equal to 6 units. Radius is equal to 6 units. Radius is given as 6 units and whose center lies. The center C, the center lies, TER, the center lies, LIES, lies on the center lies on the negative direction, on the negative direction, CTIO, and the center lies on the negative direction of the x-axis. Okay, of the x-axis, the center lies in the negative direction of the x-axis at a distance of 4 units. At a distance of 4 units. Now look at this. You have to find the equation of the circle whose radius is already given and its center lies in the x-axis. That means if you draw the circle like this, then you know that the radius is 6 units and its center lies in the x-axis. This is the x-axis and this is the center that's lying in the x-axis. Okay, and the radius is given as, say, this is A, this is the center C, and the radius is given as say what is the radius given as? Sorry, 6 units. That's the radius that is given, and the center is at a distance of 4 units in the negative direction. So if this is the origin of the x-axis, see, this is the x-axis, this is the negative direction of the x-axis, this is the origin, suppose. Okay, may not be the origin, that one may not be the origin, but if I assume that to be the origin, but don't look at this as one of the points. Please don't assume that the origin is one of the points. I have just assumed, okay, the origin can be somewhere here, there, anywhere. Here also it can be. Let's not draw it over there. Some of you students will think there is a point there also. So suppose this is the graph. Okay, that's the origin, not close to the circle anyway. That's the y-axis. See, look carefully. That's the y-axis. This is the origin. Now it says, now the center is at the negative direction of the x-axis. So that means there is a value in the x-axis, but in the y-axis it's 0. So I got the center, I got the radius. Now let's start doing my equation and solving it. This is the x dash negative direction. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus plus 4 whole square plus this is y square because there is a 0, that's 6 6 are 36. Now this is x square plus 4 2s are 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 36 is equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 16 subtracted 16, that's 0 1, that's minus 20 is equal to 0. That's the equation of the circle. Let me check it out. 3 part 1, x square plus y square plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Correct answer. We will continue this chapter in the next video. I have done till 3 part 1. So keep taking as much help as possible from my and your channel. Math is possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye.